Otterer Dairy, around 1,250 cows. Each one is strong and well managed. Number 5, Brubaker Farm. They run about 1,300 cows and use manure to generate electricity. It's a green operation. Number 4, Greywood Farm. Roughly 1,400 cows. A top producer in the region with steady output. Number 3, Glenville Farm. Close to 1,500 cows, growing fast and expanding its reach in the state. Number 2, Star Rock Dairy. Also has around 1,500 cows. Its scale affects milk prices across Pennsylvania. Number 1, Warner's Pride and Joy Farm in Malvern. With about 1,050 cows, it stands out for great management and is the largest in its county.